Hey guys, welcome to Sugar Swap. Today's yummy recipe is this amazing high protein chikki. So let's start with it. So in a kadai I have taken a little ghee and added a cup of cashews and roasted them, and then there goes the roasted peanut powder and sesame seeds. Just lightly roast, don't roast them too much. And once it's done, we are going to once the ghee is little bit soaked into the powder, we are going to add the other ingredients. So now we are going to add some pumpkin seeds powder. It's just raw because we are anyways going to roast it in ghee, so I have not roasted them before. And some desiccated coconut or coconut bhura. And then comes the almond powder. It's a coarsely grounded almond powder, nothing not too powdery, but just so that you get that crunch in your while you are eating that bar. And also there's a little bit of haldi and elaichi powder. And now there goes the quarter cup of Sugar Swap's pea protein powder, and I am adding xylitol here because this is an exact replacement of sugar. It tastes exactly like sugar. This is an amazing sweetener, guys. You can try it, and it's completely sugar free and of course keto also. So once it's done, we are going to put it into a greased bowl, whichever the shape it is. You can make it in any shape. I have put a butter paper into this, and I have just spread it and leveled it. And now you can put it, just cover it and keep it outside also, it will be done. But I'm just doing this for a quicker process. You can also do it if you want. Just keep it in the freezer for some time, and boom, the bars are ready. Now you can just go ahead and enjoy them. I'll also be sharing the macros of this in the description box. You can also check it out, check the recipe out on my website. These bars are amazing for your hair, skin, and they are protein rich, or you can have it as a pre or post workout high protein energy bar. If you are a vegan or a vegetarian, this works very well for you. You can also enjoy this bar as a snack. So this is it, guys, and this is amazing. Do try it, and hope you guys like the video. If you loved it, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.